Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the wastewater engineering. In number 1 में डिस्कस करूँ આપણે characterization and treatment of wastewater માં introduction part આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે. Now most important part, wastewater flow and its characteristics. So what is the strength and the characteristics of wastewater and the essential consideration part in this subject. Now detail में discuss કરીશું આપણે. First one. The aim of this chapter is to highlight the significant factors that are essential during initial planning and for the design of wastewater treatment processes. And the plant unit, this essential design factor include the following point. લખેલો point ને તમે એકવાર શું છે એસેન્શિયલ કન્સિડરેશન પાર્ટ જે બેઝિકના ફંડામેન્ટલમાં ને જે ટાઇટલ છે બેઝિક ડિઝાઇન કન્સિડરેશન વેસ્ટ વોટર એન્જિનિયરિંગ માટે. The aim of this chapter is to highlight the significant factors that are essential during initial planning and for the design of wastewater engineering treatment processes plant unit. This essential design factors including the following point. The first one, strength and characteristics of wastewater, population projection, flow rate and their fluctuations, mass loading, design criteria, hydraulic flow diagram. Okay, note down this all point. Now, so what is the strength and characteristics of wastewater? The first important information one should have for the design of wastewater treatment system is the strength and characteristics of the wastewater to be treated. And the term characteristics refers to a group of physically part, chemical and biological આપણે જોઈશું impurities present in the wastewater system. Okay, what is the strength of wastewater? Is normally expressed in terms of the population load, which is the determined from the concentration of the significant physically, chemically and biologically contact. જે content છે biological to the waste water. And the characteristics or the quality of wastewater is expressed in terms of its physically, chemical or biological content. On the basis of the parameters given in the table, this one 2.1 માં જોવાનું છે આપણે. મેઇન પોઈન્ટ શું છે એસેન્શિયલ કન્સિડરેશન પાર્ટ જે આપણે એમ જોઈ ગયા. The aim of this chapter is to highlight the significant factor that are some essential during initial planning and for the design of wastewater treatment. અને processes અને plant unitના બેસિસ પર છે કે this essential design factor include the following points. Strength and characteristics of wastewater, population projections, flow rate and their fluctuations part, mass loading, design criteria, hydraulic flow diagram, અને આની સ્ટેન્ડ કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક ટેબલમાં આપણે જોવાનું છે ધીઝ વન. So basic design consideration part, the significant parameter of physical, chemical and biological characteristics of the domestic wastewater. तो फिजिकली कैरेक्टरिस्टिक में जो है केमिकल और बायोलॉजिकल. तो फर्स्ट આપણે फिजिकली कैरेक्टरिस्टिक જોઈએ. सॉलिड्स टोटल सस्पेंडेड एंड डिसॉल्व्ड, वोलेटाइल एंड फिक्स एंड मिनरल सॉलिड्स, कलरना बेसिस पर છે, ઓર્ડર છે અને ટેમ્પરેચરના બેસિસ પર છે. ધીઝ આર ફિઝિકલ કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક્સ. ધીઝ વન. સેકન્ડ વન केमिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. एमा ऑर्गेनिक कंटेंट होवानो, बायोलॉजिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड अने केमिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड, फैट, फिनोल, सर्फेक्टेंट, ऑयल एंड ग्रीस एक्सेट्रा. ओके. इनऑर्गेनिक कंटेंट, द अल्कलिनिटी, क्लोराइड्स, नाइट्रोजन, सल्फर, फॉस्फोरस, हेवी मेटल्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट एक्सेट्रा. गैसेस, ऑक्सीजन, मीथेन, हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड इज अ केमिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. અને બાયોલોजिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में एनिमल, प्लांट, प्रोटिस्टा, पैथोनिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स एंड वायरसेस. Sorry. Simple. This is a point. What is the solid, total, suspended and dissolved, volatile and fixed all mineral solids? Okay. The solid characteristics, the suspended and dissolved, volatile and fixed all mineral solids છે. तो सिम्पली कलरना बेसिस पर ऑर्डर અને ટેમ્પરેચર છે, અલગ અલગ આપ્યું છે. નોટ ડાઉન કરી લેજો ખાસ. Now the simple characteristics and the note this formation. Characteristics of wastewater depend on the quality of wastewater used by the community, conservation practice and culture of a population, and influent discharges into the sewerage system by the industries without or after the treatment of their wastewater. Many of the above parameters are interrelated. For example, both the concentration on dissolved gases and microbial activities in wastewater are affected by the temperature. Okay. Knowledge na basis પર જોઈએ કે many of these some tip આપી છે. Many of the above parameters are interrelated. અને કોઈ એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈશું આપણે. both the concentration of dissolved gases and microbiological activities in wastewater are affected by the temperature. The knowledge of the concentration and a significant parameter is necessary for selecting a treatment. જે અલગ અલગ છે. knowledge of concentration and a significant parameter જે અલગ અલગ necessary of selecting a treatment system and amount of populant to be removed from this basis. To be removed from the influent to a level that needs prescribed limit set by the statutory authority and State Pollution Control Board SPCB. Before their final disposal or reuse or recycling basis, and the strength of wastewater is normally measured as a mass per unit volume of the wastewater and usually designated in the unit of mg per liter, milligram per unit liter, kilogram per day. ઓકે ટેબલ 2.2 શો કરીશું આપણે જેમાં ડિફરન્ટ પોઈન્ટ આપ્યા છે. So the typical concentration of significant constitute of medium strength municipal wastewater જે અલગ અલગ પોઈન્ટ છે. This is the table so completely. બનાવ્યું નથી કાલે સાંજે મેળવું છું. The total dissolved solid are typically concentration on a significant constitute the medium strength municipal wastewater. Significant constitute concentration milligram per liter. Total solid 500 થી 1000 milligram per liter. Total dissolved solid 200 થી 400. Total suspended solid અને 300 થી 600 milligram per liter. Biological oxygen demand 20 degree Celsius 150 to 350. COD 300 થી 500. Total nitrogen 30 થી 60. Total phosphorus 5 to 8 milligram per liter. Alkalinity COC થી calcium carbonate 80 થી 120. ઓકે પોપ્યુલેશન પ્રોજેક્શન્સ છે એ જાગ જોઈ લઈએ આપણે. ઇન કેસ ઓફ અ પ્રપોઝડ ધીસ ઇઝ અ નોટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ પોઈન્ટ નાવ ધ રિવિઝન જ કરીશું આપણે. એસેન્શિયલ કન્સિડરેશન પાર્ટ ફોર કેરેક્ટરાઇઝેશન અને ટ્રીટમેન્ટ ઓફ વેસ્ટ વોટર. The aim of this chapter and highlight the significant factor that are essential during initial planning and for the design of wastewater treatment. And some processes and plant this essential design factor include the following point: strength and characteristics of wastewater, population projections, flow rate and their fluctuations part, mass loading, design criteria, hydraulic flow diagram. મેન ટેબલ જોઈ લો ખાસ બીઓડી અને સીઓડીના. ફિઝિકલ કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક્સ, કેમિકલ કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક્સ અને બાયોલોજિકલ કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક્સ, જેના અલગ અલગ પોઈન્ટ છે. Okay, and the main to second point, typically concentration significant constitute and in medium strength municipal wastewater ના ટેબલ છે, significant constitute અને એની concentration આપી છે. ઓકે, તો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.